After unwrapping the shrink wrap, carefully remove the firescreen front assembly by lifting it up and out. The hood for the fireplace that suits the firescreen front can be found here. Below the fireplace base, you will find the instruction manual, remote control, packing materials, as well as some critical components for the decorative setup of the fireplace. Remove these materials and lay them out so you can inspect them. Within the sleeve that contains the instruction manual will be some critical components for the venting, as well as screws for mounting various components like the firescreen front. Carefully remove the glass assembly using the spring-loaded clips and dispose of the cardboard spacer. Place the glass somewhere safe. Remove both packages that contain the log assembly. The smaller box is for the side logs, and the bigger shrink-wrapped packet is for the main log assembly. This package also includes the embers for the burner.